Welcome to Digiliterate YouTube channel. Are you tired of spending countless hours on SEO tasks? Are you struggling to keep up with all the latest SEO trends and algorithms? Well, you are not alone. SEO can be a daunting task and requires a lot of time and efforts. But what if I told you that there is a way to automate or streamline your SEO workflow and cut your tasks in half? Introducing to you Semrush Automation. Semrush offers a suite of powerful automation tools that can help you save time, reduce errors, and improve your SEO performance. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Semrush Automation to cut your SEO tasks in half, achieve better results in less time. So now let's get to the laptop screen and see how things work. Okay, so now we are on the Semrush website. Once you have created the account, the first feature that I would like to show you is the position tracking. You can go into this keyword research section. You will see this position tracking feature. Now, one of the most important tasks in SEO is to track your website's ranking on search engine result page, right? So this can be a very tedious and time-consuming task if done manually. So Semrush automation automates this task for you with the help of this position tracking features. It allows you to track your website ranking for specific keywords over time. So now let's see how it works. So enter your domain name here in this section. Uh, Click on setup tracking. So now you need to choose these options. So you need to track at which location. So I will choose United States. If you want to track the local map pack, you can also do that, but it's an optional. On which devices did you want to track your keywords? Mobile, tablets. I will go with desktop. There are also search engine options over here, Baidu and Google. So I will just to choose this one, and I'm going to now go to the keyword section. Continue to keywords. Here you need to enter your keywords. So I already entered, so let me enter new keywords. Suppose I want to track gift card keyword. I want to track online earning. I want to track Captera G2. So these are the keywords that I want to track, right? And once that is done, or you can also import it, right, from text or other tools. So I just have to enter the add keywords to campaign. Now it's going to start the campaign for me. So all I have to do is click on start tracking, and you will also be able to get the weekly ranking updates. So if there is any changes in your ranking in the search engine result page, you will be notified via the email, right? So just let me click on it. Okay, so this is how it will look like once you add your keywords. Now, since I added it right now, so it will take few days to update all this data. And also the keywords that I added were only 4, so the data will be limited. But if you add more keywords, and the data will be shown over here, give it some time. Here you will see how much visibility you have in your search engine result page, how much traffic you would be getting, estimated traffic, what is your average position. So if you are not ranking, it will be assigned 100. You will get like how many keywords are ranking on top 3, top 10, top 20. What is their visibility, all those things you can track. You will also get an overview of here, uh, or overview of all your keywords. Like you will get some graphs like is your keywords ranking going down, is your keyword ranking going up, all those things you will be tracking from here, right? um, One more thing is you can also add competitors. You can compete with them. You can see like how your competitor is competing with you on the given keyword, etc. So yeah, that is the number one feature that I wanted to show you, that is position tracking. Now let's move on to the next feature. So next feature is backlink audit. So basically what backlink audit does is it is very important that all the links that are coming to your websites are coming from good authority website. Now there are websites out there that are toxic in nature. They do not comply with Google terms and condition, and if they refer you, the search engine will notice that they are referring you. So your website may also be violating Google terms and conditions. So having such referring domain is very bad idea, right? So to check like how many what is the toxicity score is very important. Now Semrush automates all those things for you. So all you have to do is go to the backlink audit feature, enter your domain author digiliterate.com. You need to link with Google search engine console, and once you do that, you will get a very accurate data. For example, here you can see that my toxicity score is very low, that is only 1.9% toxic links are referring to me. Um and it is good that 84.4% are non-toxic backlinks that are getting to me, right? So you will get all other details here, right? How many toxic links are there? So if all those toxic links are there, then you can remove that. So all you have to do is click on here. You'll see that these are all the toxic links that you can see. So that are not a good thing to have, right? And so there are many other details like how many backlinks you are losing and how many new backlinks you have got. All those things you can do. You can also refer based on categories of the domain that are referring to you. So these are all the different category websites that are referring to me. You can also find their authority score. What is their authority score of the backlinks that are referring to you? As you can see that 0 to 20 is the authority score for most of my backlinks that are referring to me, that is 96.7%. You can find what are the anchor texts that are being used to refer to you, right? um, so these are all the words that are being used to refer to my website. So yeah, these are all the details. How many follow and no follow links are there? Follow links are better. No follow link does not pass the authority to your website, so that are basically no use to the to get to increase your website authority. Follow links are very important. So yeah, these are all the details that you can check. So now let us move to the next automation feature of SEMrush. So now the next topic is topic research. Now finding a new topic to write is very important, right? So while you are writing different type of blog, sometimes you hit that writer's block, right? And you do not get new ideas to write upon based on whatever the topic you are writing on. So Semrush provide this thing, and you can generate new topic ideas on automation. So how you do that? So just enter the topic name. So maybe I will just type in email marketing. I want to write an article related to email marketing, and I'm targeting the country United States. If you have region, you can do that. If you want to select language, you can do that. But I will go with United States. You can also enter a domain name. So if you have any competitor, and if you want to get some ideas from that domain, then you can enter from here. uh, but enter you can enter it over here, right? So let me enter. This is not my competitor, but I'm just going, they do write similar articles, so I'm going to just click on get content ideas. Okay, so as you can now see that it has given me different type of idea based on different topics. So it has grouped the topic suggestion based on different ideas or topic, like suppose digital marketing. So that related topic we can see over here. These are different article ideas we have. What is email marketing? The ultimate guide to email marketing. If you are related to social media, then we will get ideas related to that topic. Marketing automation, like if you want this type of topic in the marketing automation domain, like suppose how to utilize automated email marketing. So you see there are different type of topic suggestions we got, and we also get like how much the backlink is there for the given website, how many shares are there. So you can analyze the competition. So you can analyze the competition there, and based on that your competitors and what type of authority your site has, based on that you can write an article on, right? um, so you can, there is also mind map and overview topic, like this is the top 10 headlines by backlinks. So these are the top 10 headlines of, and you can also have some interesting questions that are asked related to email marketing. How to calculate the return of an email marketing investment? How do I create an marketing email template, etc. You can also have a mind map, basically different type of things like email marketing related. segment your email list or optimize your email. You can just open it and click it, and in the right hand side you will see the headlines: email marketing strategy and benchmark. So yeah, that's how it is. So we have completed this topic of topic research. Now let's move to the next topic. Okay, so final part of our video is my reports. Now, creating a proper report is very important. But what if I told you that Semrush provides you an option to create customized reports, right? So they are very easy to create, and compiling information is very difficult. But Semrush provides all important data or parameters at one place. All you have to do is drag and drop and create customized reports either for yourself or for your clients. So it basically a type of automation, or it smoothens your workflow of your SEO, right? SEO tasks. So how do you do that? So you have to come to this section, optimization and automation. Here you will be seeing my reports. Now click on create report. So you will also have a guide here how to create customized report. If you want to see, you can do that. Now there is a customized report. You can change this logo. On the right hand side you can see the widgets means you can just drag and drop this uh, widgets and create customized reports. You can also change this logo. Suppose I want to change this logo, all you have to do is browse, choose your website's logo. Let me choose it, and that's it. So I will have my own company logo over here. You can give title, maybe SEO report, keywords, and more. You can type in anything. I'm just typing randomly. Um, Now here again, you can change your logo from here. You can change the address. You can just suppose I want to, suppose I want to place some reports over here. All I have to do is go to this section. Um, let me see if let me see what I can do. There are many things over here. Organic research summary, just drag and drop over here and just type in anything that you want. Like suppose you want to find organic search summary. So you just type in the domain name, Digiliterate. I will type in database I want from US, currency is okay. So it will generate the report for me automatically. So you can see the traffic has been 67% low. The keywords are ranking 577. Traffic cost is $64. All those important things you can see. So similarly, you have to just drag and drop the things. So you just type drag and drop keyword ranking table. You can generate it automatically. If you can also add competitors if you want to, you can do all those filters you can use and just click OK, and it's going to create all those keywords that are ranking. So these are the keywords that are I think I am tracking. You can see cost plus click, volume, all those things you can see over here, right? So these are my keywords that are ranking: gift card, online earning, Captera, G2. That's great, right? So this is how you create the customized report for yourself, right? I hope you understand. You can also change the formattings of this table. Like if you want to add some text, you can do that. Just drag and drop over here and you will have a text. You can add image if you want to. You can add columns if you want to. So fully customization option you can do. You can also change the themes, but for that you need to subscribe to their pro plan, or you can also try the uh, free trial. The link is already provided in the description. So yeah, that's complete our whole video. So that is the end of our video. I hope you like this video, and the link for 14 days free trial is provided in the description. Thanks for watching. I see you in my next video.